Use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Sunny. What's up, Vinny? Can I get a demo?
Yeah, get in.
Is he going in or I'll go in? Yeah. Is there any way you can put your windows up for info real quick? I do a lot of videos. I think I remember meeting you 2 years ago. You used to have 812s or 810s,
yeah,
and then you had I think 4 or 615s also. 4.
And made of steel.
Made of steel. Yep. Wow. What do you got? What's your name, man? Everything in here.
Vinny G. Running 6 American-based XFL 15s, 3 MD8Ks for power.
And you built this?
Yeah.
Very nice. It's a 4th order.
Yeah, 4.
Okay. And then the amps are in the back too?
Amps are in the back.
Okay, I'll go look at it.
45 amp hour C-Max.
Okay. Very nice. All right. Have you ever got it metered or you know your peak on it?
Peak at 47. It's a 158 flat.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Very nice. I think this thing is going to do 60s one day, I'm sure. You're getting there, man.
Yeah, you want to check out the back?
Yeah, man, I'd love to check out the Very nice. And did this slide in?
Yep.
You actually got this slide in, okay. And you sealed it off. Nice. Looks good. Can I see your alternator? Your alternator? High output alternator?
320 amp.
Okay. Thank you, man. Hey everybody, I hope you all enjoyed that quick walk around. We just got a Vinny system at the Slamfest audio show in Tampa, Florida area. Go ahead and let him know what you think about his system by commenting and giving him a like. I appreciate y'all watching my videos. Really impressive 615-inch subs. Actually taking a lot of power on these subs as well. And this is actually a 4th order enclosure, so there's a sealed section underneath where the subs are mounted on the regular end. And the way the amplifier rack is staged, 2 subwoofers per amplifier. I didn't find out if you have him at 1 ohm or half. Let's just go ahead and assume he's got 1 ohm per 2 set of XFL 15-inch subs. With only 45 amp hour lithium, I'm actually surprised how well his voltage was holding and supporting 24,000 watts. It's probably not true 24K watts. I'd say after box rise voltage drop and impedance change, it's probably more around the 11 to 12,000 watt range on a high burp. And nice bracing reinforced inside of the box to keep it from flexing as much. Anytime you build a box, especially this magnitude, you've got to brace it as much as possible because it's going to flex even when you double or triple baffle everything. And having the subs inverted in a 4th order makes things a little bit better on the cooling. You can see the magnet and it makes the sealed section a little bit larger. Sometimes it can also help your low end response. So thank you for watching my videos. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this 4-minute demo. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man.
with a 40 in a car. In addition to the three that greedy just
Man.
but I don't want to start running.
6-cylinder is really windy still there. Have you ever got it metered or you know your peak on it?
Peak at 47. It's a 158 flat.
Okay. Are you happy with it?
Yeah.
Very nice. I think this thing is going to do 60s one day, I'm sure. You're getting there, man. Thank you for the demo, Vinny. Nice music too, man.
Thanks.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.